In this guide, we're going over how you could go ahead and tame a wolf here in 99 Nights in the Forest. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Let's go ahead and start by talking about how wolf taming actually works. In 99 Nights in the Forest, wolves are hostile mobs and they always are going to attack players no matter what. However, because wolves move in packs and wolves howl when enemies are nearby, players use a method called pack luring to turn wolves into biological alarm systems and cultist shredders for early to mid game. You're not essentially taming the wolf, you're controlling where it lives. The best way to do this is by using the guard pack method, and it's a core strategy. Essentially, what you're going to want to do is trap a small pack of wolves just outside your base where they can detect enemies before you see them, howl to warn you of raids, and attack early game cultists that wander too close. Wolves are obviously pretty fast, so your enclosure is going to matter. What I would recommend doing is building a small pen near your base using fence gates, not just log walls, because fence gates snap shut instantly, and just make it large enough for around 3 to 4 wolves. If the pen is too tight, wolf hitboxes can clip through the walls and bite you, and you definitely don't want that. But essentially, you're going to want to lure the pack into that enclosure by using small meat and raw fish. Essentially, find one wolf, let it howl. The howl will usually call 1 or 2 more wolves, and just draw a trail of small meat leading up to your pen. Once the wolves are all inside, close the gate immediately, and now you've trapped a wolf pack. This is where the setup shines. When cultists approach or your enemy's path near your base at night, the trapped wolves will detect those enemies through the walls and start howling non-stop. This can tell you exactly which direction a raid is coming from before you even see the enemies. For solo players, this is huge. Just make sure that you do keep in mind that wolves are afraid of fire. They're terrified of the level 6 campfire. If your fire is maxed out, the wolves will panic and try to flee. Even if inside a pen, this is going to cause chaos. So what I would recommend doing is placing the wolf pen right at the edge of your fire's light radius, not inside it. If the deer boss does spawn near your base as well and it reaches the wolf pen, the deer will instantly kill the wolves. Because of this, wolf packs are best for early to mid game, and that's really it. But that is it. That is how you can tame wolves here in 99 Nights in the Forest without actually taming them. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.